Hi everyone, I'm going to explain to all of you in this video about how to make curved workbench in Sketchup. Anyway, I've already downloaded this chair and prepared it for this video. And then first of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can set from this point, then we can set the length of the workbench around 1800 millimeter. Then we can just set the width around 600. Okay, and then we can make push. We can push it up. It's maybe around 2400 millimeter. Okay, and then we can just make a curve for the top position with a 2-point arc, and we can set any position as possible, and then we can just set it, and maybe we can set again if we we can set it. Okay, and then we can push it to the back. Okay, and after that we can just make a offset. We can offset the line, 2 line and 1 curved line, and then we can offset inside around 30 millimeter. Then we can just push it to the background 550 millimeter. Okay, and after that we can make it group for the first. Then we can make a additional line right here to make a cabinet or wardrobe over there. Maybe we can set with tape measure tool, and then we can set the width of this cabinet around 500 millimeter. Then we can using line to draw it, and then we can offset it. We can move it to the little bit left around 20 millimeter, and then we can just fill this space anyway. Okay, we have to fill this space, and then we can push it to the front. Okay, and then we can just make just a little space for lower position of this cabinet. Okay, and after that we can just select this and edit, copy, and then we have to exit the group, and then we have to paste in place, and we have to move it to the front. Okay, we have to move it to the front, and we have to make some shelf over there with a rectangle. We have to make a shelf, and then we have to push it up around 20 millimeter approximately, and then we have to make it group and make it component. Just create it, and then we have to move and press Ctrl to duplicate it until this position, and then we can select we can type with in our keyboard with a / and enter. Okay, and after that we can just push it to the back just a little bit, maybe around 20. Sorry, we can push this side to the back. We can push this side to the back with making this line first, and then we have to push it to the back around 20 millimeter, and also we have to push it scale it to the back around 20 millimeter, be the same position of this vertical shelf anyway. And then don't forget to delete the unnecessary object anyway. Okay, and then we have to move it to this position, and then we can adjust it again anyway. We can make the line again to complete it. We can draw the line in this area maybe. Okay, we can draw the line manually to make the same size for the door cabinet. Then we can just delete unnecessary object, and then we can just push it to the front until same position of this, then just make it group. Okay, and after that we can make a rectangle here. We can make a rectangle right here, then we can just push it up around maybe 150 millimeter. Then we can make some, okay, then we can make it group or making some ornament to make it more nice look anyway. Then we can move it until 700 only. Okay, or we can just set the height around 750 millimeter, and then we can just move it down. We have to move it down until the same position of this line, then we just erase it. Okay, and after that we can make additional shelf over there. You can make additional shelf to make it more functional of the space. Just make it group and just move it up. Then you can just adjust this extension of this object, then select a push and offset to the position. Okay, push the position, sorry. Okay, and then we have to make a small bench right here with a 2-point arc anyway. With a 2-point arc, maybe just lower position. Okay, maybe something like this. Then we can just move it down anyway, and then we can just make it a complete plane, and then we have to push it to the front just a little bit. Maybe it's around in this. Okay, and then we have to move and position on it. Then we can select a rectangle in this area. I'm sorry, we have to select a rectangle. Just select a rectangle in this area. Then we have to push it up just a little bit, and then we can make the more extent of this. Okay, and then we have to make a bench. We have to make a cushion over there. We have to make a thickness of the cushion. Then we can just using 2-point arc to make it, and then just select to follow me. Okay, then make it group, and we can do the same method again with the 2-point arc and position on it, and select this plane first, and then we have to select follow me over there. Okay, and then we can make material with synthetic surface, and just select this material, and if you want the color of the material, you can just assign with the same material with this. Okay, and after that we can make the erase some unnecessary object, and we have to deselect this, and then we have to select this object, or maybe we can select this material to make the uniqueness of this backspace, backdrop, and then, or maybe with this. Okay, to make a uniqueness anyway, and then we can just position on it. We can just position on it, and we can adjust the floor with the wood. Then we can adjust the wall color to make more artsy anyway. You can adjust the wall color. Maybe we can sign with this material anyway, or the dark more anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for attention, thanks for watching, and wait for my next video. Thank you.